Take out the device and accessories. You'll find 2 radar shaping handles and the bubble cleaner handle are connected with the main machine and some screws on the machine. Replace any faulty fuse with one of the 2 spare fuses. Pry open the fuse cover with the screwdriver, take out the faulty fuse and replace it with the spare fuse. Replace any faulty film with one of the 2 black protective films of the radar shaping probes. Take out the screws and start to install. Aim the handle holder at the right place and twist the screws into the machine. Install the round accessories hanging rack on 2 sides and oxygen spray handle holder. Place the 4.5mm radar shaping handle onto the handle holder. Then place the 3.0mm radar shaping handle onto the handle holder. Connect ultrasound handle with the device and tighten the screw. Connect vanadium titanium handle with the device and tighten the screw. Connect bio microelectric therapy handle with the device and tighten the screw. Connect RF radio frequency handle with the device and tighten the screw. Connect ice repair handle with the device and tighten the screw. Insert one end of the oxygen spray handle wire into the machine jack, then connect oxygen spray handle with the other end. Tighten the screw. Connect the spray bottle with the handle and tighten the screw. Connect the 7-color light mask handle with the device and tighten the screw. Connect vibration massager handle with the device and tighten the screw. Place all handles onto the handle holder. The 2 bottles are clean bottle and waste bottle. Clean bottle is filled with Hydra Dermabrasion solution. AS1 can be used for deep cleaning and is suitable for oily skin, coarse skin, and congested skin. SC2 can be used for deep cleansing and is suitable for all skin types. AO3 is suitable for sensitive skin. Normal saline can be used to clean the device and is suitable for sensitive skin. Select solution and pour into the clean bottle based on the customer's skin needs. Empty the clean bottle before switching to another solution. Twist open the clean bottle cover and pour in solution. Click the power button to turn on the machine. Then it goes to the function interface. Working time ranges from 0 to 60 minutes and energy level ranges from 0 to 10. Adjust based on the customer's skin needs. Click bubble brush, adjust working time. It's advised to treat 10 minutes or so. There are altogether 8 bubble cleaner tips to choose from based on different treatment sites. Select one and install onto the handpiece. Click to start. During bubble cleaner treatment, solution transfers to the skin and then to the waste bottle as wastewater. When the waste bottle is full, the device will stop automatically, so empty the waste bottle in time. Twist the knob to adjust suction level. After the treatment, empty the waste bottle, turn on the red valve to pass out the wastewater. Fill in the clean water bottle with normal saline after each treatment. Turn on the device and stop the handle with your thumb so the normal saline can circulate and clean the device. Soak the tips at 75° alcohol to disinfect after each bubble cleaner treatment. Click Oxygen Gun on the screen. Adjust working time. It's advised to treat each treatment site for 10 minutes or so. Take out the oxygen spray handle. Fill in the bottle with water. Choose from purified water, watery essence, toner, normal saline, etc. based on the customer's skin needs. Twist the bottle back onto the handle and tighten the screw. Click Start. Twist the end of the oxygen spray handle to adjust the level of mist. Press down on the wrench to spray. Click Ultrasonic on the screen. Adjust intensity level. It's advised to set between 3 to 8 and treat each site for 15 minutes or so. Click Start. The probe emits blue LED. Ultrasound helps better lid and nutrition and helps skin absorb better. Click Radio Frequency on the screen. Adjust intensity level. It's advised to set between 3 to 8 and treat each site for 15 minutes or so. Click Start. The probe emits red LED. RF helps tighten skin, remove wrinkles, and increase skin elasticity. Click Ice Seal Imports on the screen. Adjust energy level. It's advised to set between 5 to 10 and treat each site for 10 minutes or so. Click Start. Ice Repair Handle helps shrink pore and calm skin. Click Micro Power on the screen. Adjust intensity. It's advised to set between 2 to 6 and treat each site for 10 minutes or so. Click Start. The probe emits green LED. Biomicroelectric Therapy Handle helps tighten skin, activate skin cells, and brighten skin. Click Vanadium Titania on the screen. Adjust water output speed. It's advised to set the speed between 3 to 6. Higher speed means faster movement, and set the water inlet speed between 3 to 6. Larger flow means you'll run out of essence sooner, and set working time for around 20 minutes. Then install the accessories. Firstly, install the microchip. Then mount the positioner properly. Click Go Back on the screen. The thruster will slowly push it back. Mount the injector properly. It can be filled with products like lyophilized powder or hyaluronic acid serum. Click Go Ahead on the screen. The thruster will slowly push it forward. It will stop when it reaches the injector. Click Start. Slide the control valve on the vanadium titanium handpiece to adjust the intensity. Slide up to increase intensity and down to decrease intensity. Higher intensity comes with better result. Click Radar Lines 4.5mm on the screen. It's advised to adjust the intensity between 5 to 9, output time between 0.8 to 1.5, interval between 0.3 to 1, and working time for 15 minutes or so on each site. Click Start, then click Pause to start the treatment. Apply gel before each treatment. You might experience a slight warm sensation. Higher intensity comes with stronger feeling. 4.5mm acts on skin's mask layer and can be used for skin tightening. Use 4.5mm first, then 3.0mm to enhance the effect. Click Radar Lines 3.0mm on the screen. 3.0mm acts on skin dermis layer and can stimulate the production of collagen fibers and elastic fibers. It's advised to adjust the intensity between 5 to 9, output time between 0.8 to 1.5, interval between 0.3 to 1, and working time for 15 minutes or so on each side. Click Start, then click Pause to start the treatment. Click Spectral Mask on the screen. Select Color. There's 7 different lights of LED. Select the LED color based on one's own skin needs. Select Mode, and there's 2 modes to choose from. Adjust working time. It's advised to treat for 15 minutes or so. Click Start. There's 2 modes to choose from. Monocolor Consecutive Mode and 7-color Auto Mode. Monocolor Consecutive Mode targets specific skin issue, while 7-color Auto Mode can be used to improve skin texture, soothe skin, and help skin absorb nutrients better. Check out the vibration massager. Twist the knob on the left side of the device to turn on the massager. It starts to vibrate and emits red light. When the oxygen spray handle is blocked and there's no mist coming out of the nozzle, twist open the back cover and take out the long spray needle inside, then insert it back in. Twist the screw back on, push and pull the spray needle back and forth for several times to unclog the spray handle. Twist the back cover back on and tighten it. The spray should be able to work again.